How to reset settings in PUBG Mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can reset your settings in PUBG Mobile. So before I begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release our new video. Now let's dive right in. First step. You'll need to tap on your settings, and to head over there, tap on the up arrow at the bottom right. After you do that, you'll find the settings option. Tap on settings. After you're on your settings, here you'll find all of your basic settings. What you'll need to do is head over to controls. And now if you want to change your controls to default, you're basically, all you have to do is set it up as I've set up in mine. And the settings are actually tailored into your own need whenever you're using it, so it does not matter if you change it to default. Head over to graphics, and under graphics you'll find the reset option at the bottom left. Tap on reset and then tap on OK to restore to default graphics settings. After you do that, your settings for graphics will be set to default. After that, if you head over to customize button option, you can always set it to default. You can tap on customize here, and after you do that, you can tap on the reset button that you'll find. Then tap on reset again to reset it. And after you do that, for your sensitivity, you can head over to sensitivity, and for it, this is also for your personal use, so it won't really matter if you change it or tune it up or down. It's completely up to your gameplay. And for the others, if you head over to pickup, you'll find the defaults option at the bottom left as well. So yeah, the settings are all set in that very way. You can change that to default, and that's basically how you reset settings in PUBG Mobile. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.